'cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Alright guys, this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Look at the lace. I think it's a 5x5. Okay. Also a comb right here, which I think is actually kind of cool. And look at the texture of this hair. Just absolutely stunning. I expect this to be a relatively easy unit to get together. I'm going to shut my Mimi Tap mouth. The texture of this hair is insane. Insane. I already can feel it. She's absolutely stunning. Let's get into her. This unit is currently going for just about $262 on Vshow. Okay, hair.com. Joe is playing. Okay, so let me tell you what I don't like. This right here is unacceptable. This, what is happening here? What is this? Like, and it's like pink right here as well. I really take issue with this. To me, it gives not the best cap construction, because if it's constructed properly, we wouldn't see any of this. I'm about to call the services on that dog because somebody is mistreating it. Okay, so I don't love that. So now I gotta like figure out how to cover it. But it's so, like, look at where it's placed. It's in the most awkward place. So it's almost like I gotta get my hot comb, because you gotta use a little heat with this. And don't do this at home so close to your face, y'all. It's almost like you gotta like add a little heat to bring it down. But I just find this, I just flip my hair back, and it's just like, for this to be a 4x4, I'm not happy with that. I'm just not. I just think that that's just like not. I'm confused, and that's my truth. I'm confused. It shouldn't look like that, okay? And I don't care what kind of magic you can do with baby hairs. It shouldn't look like that. Like, even that, look, even if I wanted to pull it out, look at that. What the hell? I don't understand, y'all. I just don't. So yeah, you add a little heat to kind of get her together. Now, I'm gonna be honest. Does that annoy me? Yes. Am I going to throw the baby out with the bath water with this one? No. Because I actually really do like the unit. I think the texture of the hair is absolutely stunning. Oh, guys, I mean, my part is like not straight, and it's driving me nuts. Okay. I think that the texture of the hair is stunning. Like, top notch. You know what I mean? I think that she's lightweight. She's sexy. She's only going for $260. She's super easy to get together. Like, she takes absolutely positively no time, which is great because the lace is fantastic. But I guess if you're paying so much attention on the lace, maybe the cap construction can fall to the wayside. And that's what I'm saying, Vshow. I think the texture of this hair is stunning. The thing about Vshow hair is that the hair is stunning. Like, absolutely positively stunning. Sorry, guys. This is weird. I actually like it. I got it from Naked Wardrobe. I'm going to do my little mini haul on this. But I'm like, why does it keep falling off my shoulder? Other than that, guys, I don't know. What do you guys think? I like this one. She's super natural. She was super easy to get together, so I would definitely call her beginner friendly. Mother is providing love, sex, and magic. We did kind of get to remove that little pink on the inside that I was not. The pink showing, it's a no for me. But other than that, I do think that this is a really stunning unit. Let me turn around. I don't know what just fell. I don't know. Like, what do you guys think? She's big. She's beautiful. She tangled a bit. I think all in all, she's a stunning unit. I'm gonna be honest. I'm a little bit underwhelmed, and I'm a little bit disappointed that I'm underwhelmed. And that's my truth. And y'all know I like to come through and tell y'all how I'm really feeling about things. The problem is that the lace is so good. It's so motherfucking good. But that's all I got, y'all. Like, I don't know. Let me know how you guys feel. I have mixed feelings about this one. But overall, if I had to rate her on a scale of 1 to 10, she would probably get a 7.5, which is pretty good. So bust down. Have you guys tried out Vshow hair? You really should. They have the hair, the lace. We just got to work on that cap construction. So bust on down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.